Eric Sprott is scarfing down more silver. The Sprott Physical Silver Trust has announced a secondary offering to buy $75 million worth of silver. To be expected, PSLV shares took a sharp dive on Friday, frustrating some. One commenter on the Wall Street from Main Street YouTube channel noted, "I will double down, but this offering killed my return for the next year in the PSLV. The frustration is understandable." I noted, "It's a little ironic. It's kind of like taking a bullet for the team. I'm only being half flippant if past is prologue. PSLV purchases will suck out of the physical market enough silver at the margin to eventually send the entire precious metal space higher. In a roundabout way, the secondary could end up meaning that silver would be in the 20s a heck of a lot sooner, for example, and that would benefit you and everyone. The cartel has executed a managed retreat from the depths of Hellas circa sub $14 silver with their new no moss line at $16. This secondary is going to make getting through $16 happen with momentum. The next line in the sand would come at around 1850, and that would have been hard to get past without a lot of multiple attempts, and the same sort of BS we see right now at $16. We were probably looking at 1850 a heck of a lot sooner given this secondary. I don't own any PSLV, but if I did, the 4+% decline today would bum me out too. Alas, it is what it is. Dilution in the short term for intermediate term gains is the way this should work out. We see similar things happen when a smart mining company makes an outstanding purchase. Usually, regardless of how fantastic a deal might be from a strategic point of view, short-term traders usually punish even intelligent acquisitions. I've asked Sprott about his thought process and what the firm tries to do with these secondaries. I don't remember which of the interviews this discussion happened, but we talked about it on two Silver Doctors Weekly Metals and Markets Wrap podcasts. I haven't been watching the PSLV Premium over the last month, just been too busy or distracted with other stuff. But I see that it was about 5% yesterday, despite a 4+% haircut. PSLV still has a premium over assets of 0.57. I know that Sprott has been thinking above 5% or thereabouts as the level necessary to launch a secondary. I don't have inside information, mind you, just have talked to him enough that I know how he thinks. The fund finally had enough of a premium to launch a secondary and get this show on the road. It will be a good thing. Short-term pain for intermediate gain. And I agree. Buy up all you can, Mr. Sprott. That'll make the rest of ours worth even more. Keep stacking, guys.